Ryan with Miss.Geek here, and looking for another, or looking to give another QCX mini tip, if I can call it that, and that is installing the TCXO or TCXO board. So I've got a file here. This was just a Harbor Freight special I got, I don't know, 2007 or 8. It's been around a long time. Using the flat side of that to file everything as the instructions say. Now, you've got to, if you're doing the TCXO option, then you've got to, let's see, trying to get to focus here. You've got to solder in these little cutoffs into the board, and then push the board into the main board. Then put the TCXO over it, and then push it as north as it'll go, basically up against the IC socket, so you can make room for these potentiometers, these trimmers, which are, I think, the next installation step. Yeah. And so a tip about those offcuts: make them all the same, different lengths. That way it's a way easier to put get one of them aligned at a time. And you're going to need tweezers, or well, you're going to want tweezers. I robbed these from the bathroom a couple years ago. They're worse for the wear. Also, these tweezers right here are epic for pulling out parts from the parts bin. I get that to focus. So these are great. I can just, focus on a part, and I'm not really doing it because I'm looking at my screen, but and pull it out no matter how small the part is. So real handy. These actually came in the Placebo soldering iron kit, which this is the soldering iron from that kit, and the kit came with a bunch of stuff. The soldering iron is not horrible. It came with a bunch of tips, and I've got this one turned up on high heat, and so the soldering tip is not really happy with it, but it's working anyway. And you can see it's a little bit crooked because I pushed on it too hard. This is a plastic casing. It does get warm, and I was pushing on it. Bad habit. Anyway, and then I've got this Delcast solder station, and I just hot glued a bottom of a water bottle to it, and then threw some steel wool in there from the kitchen. So that was my basically free tip cleaner. And I bought this at a garage sale like 4 years ago for, I don't know, $2. So nice roll of Kester solder's been keeping me going for a long time. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't mind the dirty bench. That's just the sound of a productive ham. Oh, the other thing. This guy. My Magnifier. Okay, so this is my QCX Mini without the magnifier, and that's my QCX Mini with the magnifier. With, and it only gets better. It doesn't seem like a lot of magnification just staring at it, but when we are looking at it through this and you're soldering, and you got this little tiny thing that you're working on, it's so nice. I actually have one with higher magnification, and I dislike it. So, and the lighting on this thing's really good. Anyway, I did a blog post about it. I'll link to it below. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you share your tips below, and I'll post some more as I have them. Thanks.